In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge lists in Constant Contact. Merging lists in Constant Contact is an efficient way to streamline your contacts and enhance the precision of your email marketing campaigns. So let's dive straight into the steps to achieve this effectively. First, you'll want to open a web browser and enter Constant Contact in your search engine of choice. Click on the link that leads directly to the Constant Contact website. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login screen where you'll enter your account credentials to access your dashboard. If you haven't yet set up an account, you'll need to do so in order to proceed with merging lists. After logging in, direct your attention to the navigation menu where you'll find the Contacts section. Click on it to see your contact options. From there, select Lists, as this is where you'll manage and organize your contact lists. You'll see various lists displayed on your screen representing the different segments of your contact database. Next, identify the lists you wish to merge. You can do this by checking the box next to each list you plan to combine. This option allows you to select multiple lists, paving the way for a seamless merge. Once your desired lists are selected, turn your focus to the menu where you'll see an Actions button. Click on it and you'll find an array of options from which you should choose Merge. This will initiate the process of combining your lists. However, you still need to decide where these lists will be merged into. You'll notice a prompt to select or create a new list. If you already have a named list you'd like to house the merged contacts in, simply select that list. Otherwise, opt to create a list and enter a name that's descriptive and easily recognizable. This helps in keeping your contacts organized and accessible for future campaigns. After naming your new list, click the Save button. This action will secure your choice and ensure the merged data is directed to the intended destination. Finally, finalize the process by clicking on Merge once more. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to merge lists in Constant Contact. This streamlined process not only saves you time, but also ensures that your contact management is cohesive and efficient. By merging lists correctly, you can maintain accurate and organized data, making future email campaigns more effective. Thank you for joining today, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.